my name's Hannah and I'm the C5 Nut. Well, today has been a very special day for me and my mother. Haven't seen her in, blimey, nearly 3 months. I haven't seen my mother. For you guys out there who don't know me, where I currently live, I'm not able to have cats, and so when I moved to the place I'm at now, unfortunately my cat wasn't able to come with me, so my mum basically said that she would look after my cat for me. So thank you very much, Mum. You're a gem. But yeah, so today I went up to see my mum and obviously spend some time with my cat. Now, this is more of like an update, really, regards to a recent project that I done quite a few weeks ago. Um, I actually turned an old Apple computer into a cat bed, which I will try my best to put a link in the description so you guys can see the video. But this particular video, you will see my cat actually sort of snuggling into that Apple PC cat bed. So yeah, if you like pretty cats, yeah, please carry on watching. If you don't, then the next video or this video may not be to your taste. But anyway, I'm going to leave it here, guys. Just, please share my channel. The more it gets shared, the more the channel grows. So yeah, if you like my work, please give us a thumbs up. If you wish to subscribe, please do. And if you tick the bell, that will give you any notifications for the next video that I upload, which will be soon, hopefully. So yeah, take care, guys. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.